Hey, what's up guys, this is Buddy from Sock Tweaks. In today's video, I will show you 10 iPhone automation that you should create in your iPhone. These automations are very useful and also help us in our day-to-day life activities. So watch full video to see automation that will turn off and on things automatically based on location and battery and many more like this. So before I start, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon, so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Now let's start with the first automation of the video. With this automation you can get notification while leaving your home or office. This automation works with location. Suppose you are leaving home early for work. So to make sure you have closed water taps, turn off switches, get car keys, wallets, etc. So for this you can create an automation. So tap on create personal automation. Here tap on leave and from here choose the location, then tap on done and then tap next. Here search for notification and tap on show notification. Now here you can enter text like take everything or don't forget your stuff like that. Then tap on next and done. Now whenever you leave your home or office, whichever location you have selected, you will receive notification. Don't forget your things before leaving. Next automation is for sound recognition that we get in iOS 15. So iPhones has a feature to recognize a sound and give a notification, but you can also create your own notification with the help of automation. So tap on create new and scroll down at the last and tap on sound recognition. Here tap on choose sound and here select any one sound. So let me choose baby crying and then tap on next. Here search for speak text and then you can enter text like check baby or baby is on crying mode, then tap on next and here always disable ask before running. So now whenever my iPhone hears sound of baby crying, it will say crying mode on. Now click on done and you're good to go. Next automation is for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So whenever you turn off Bluetooth or Wi-Fi from control center, it's not fully off and then consume your battery. So by this automation your Wi-Fi, cellular data or Bluetooth will be turned off completely at a specific time. So let's create a new automation for that. Here tap on time of the day. So suppose you sleep at 12. Here set the time and then tap next. Now here on add action search for Wi-Fi. Here turn off. You can also Bluetooth to turn off and cellular data. Also you can set brightness if you want. Now tap on next and here disable this and done. Now every day at 12 am my Wi-Fi, cellular data, Bluetooth will be turned off completely. Also my brightness will be set at a specific percentage. Next automation is to lock apps. As you know, we cannot lock apps in iPhone, but with the help of shortcut app we can lock an app. So first open clock app and in timer section over here tap on when timer ends. Select stop playing and tap on set. Now let's go to the shortcut app and here create new automation. Here go to app and choose the app that you want to lock. So let's select Amazon over here. Then tap on next and here search for timer and select start timer. Here switch minutes to seconds and here enter 1 and now tap on next. Don't forget to disable ask before running and tap on done. Now whenever someone tries to open Amazon app, it will open for a second and then it will lock the device. It will only open with the Face ID or password. So that's how you can lock apps in iPhone. As you know, in iOS 15 we got focus mode. So you can have different automation for different focus mode. So let's create one automation for gaming focus mode. Under focus over here tap on gaming and then tap on next. Here search for guided access. Now tap on next button. Disable ask before running and now whenever I turn on gaming mode, it will also turn on guided access. Also you can create another automation when you open a certain app, focus mode will be activated. So let's create new over here and here under app select the app for which you want to choose focus mode. Let me select Netflix. Now tap on done. Next, here search for focus mode. Now from here choose which focus mode you want. Then here turn on. Now tap on next and don't forget to disable this. Now whenever I open Netflix app, personal focus mode will be turned on. Next automation is for songs. So whenever I connect my iPhone to the car's Bluetooth, it will automatically open Apple Music app. But I don't listen to music through that app. I use Spotify or YouTube Music. So let's create an automation so that I can have that app. Here tap on Bluetooth and here choose the Bluetooth of a car. Now tap on next and search for open app. Over here tap on app and choose which music app you want. Once you have selected, tap on next and tap on done and you are good to go. So next time whenever you connect your car's Bluetooth, it will open YouTube Music or Spotify app, whichever you have selected. Next automation is for batteries and low power mode. With this automation, it will vibrate your iPhone. So create a personal automation. Here tap on battery level. Let's slide here battery percentage to 30 and choose false below. Then tap on next. Over here search for vibrate and now tap on vibrate device and tap on next. Also don't forget to disable ask before running. Now whenever battery falls before 30%, it will vibrate. Also instead of vibrate you can also add speak text. So it will say like battery is 30% or whatever you want to type that like that. So that's an automation for battery getting low. Now with the help of this automation you can enable low power mode when battery falls below 20% and when battery goes over 30%. So let's create a new automation. Here tap on battery level. Then first select the battery falls before 20%. Then tap on next. Here search for low power mode on and disable ask before running. So that's how you can activate low power mode. Now let's create another automation for low power mode off. Again create new automation and here choose battery equals to 65% and here tap on next and again set low power mode and here turn it off. So with these two automation, your low power mode will turn on when battery falls below 20% and it will turn off when your battery reaches 65%. It's a perfect automation for battery. Now next automation is for volume. So suppose you want to set your volume to 70% whenever you open Netflix or Instagram, and when you close these apps your volume will be back to 50%. So we can create an automation for that. Here tap on app. First here select the apps that you want. So here I will choose Netflix and Instagram and make sure to check is open. Now tap on next. Then search for set volume and here set it to 70%. Then tap on next and disable ask before running. Now create another automation for volume to 50%. So again select those apps and here check is close and then here again set volume and set it to 50% and then tap on done and disable this. Now automatically your volume will be 70% when you open the app and it will be 50% when you close those apps. So how amazing is this? So these are some awesome automation that you must have in your iPhone in 2022. Now when you create so many automation, you will get too many notification also. So I will show you guys how to turn off those notification. So let's go to the settings app. Here tap on screen time, then tap on see all activity. Here scroll down under notification, you will find shortcut. But if you are not able to tap on it, just go back one day or few days from here, then you will see arrow at a shortcut. Then tap on it and over here disable allow notification. And now you won't get any shortcut notifications from now on. So these are the 10 most useful automation of your iPhone that you must have in 2022. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys face any problem while creating these automation. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like the video. Also, subscribe to the channel for more such videos. And now I will see you on the next one. Peace.